Today I'm going to show you how to do the foundation single crochet stitch. Start with a slip knot. Next you'll chain 2 and work a single crochet in the second chain from your hook. This creates your first foundation single crochet stitch. Next you'll insert your hook into the same chain stitch that you just worked the single crochet and draw up a loop. Yarn over and draw through the first loop on your hook, creating another chain stitch. Yarn over and draw through both stitches on your hook, creating another single crochet stitch. You've just created your second foundation single crochet. You'll continue on by inserting your hook into the last chain stitch created, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and draw through the first loop on your hook, creating another chain stitch, and then you will yarn over and draw through both loops on your hook, creating another single crochet stitch. Each time you complete the chain plus the single crochet combination completes one foundation single crochet stitch. You are essentially creating a base chain with a single crochet on top of it, but instead of doing one long chain followed by several single crochets, you're doing one chain and one single crochet at a time. And here you can see just how much more flexible the foundation single crochet is in comparison to the traditional chain with single crochet row on top of it.